what would you say is the difference between starting a t-shirt shop and a t-shirt brand or line? What's like the biggest, what would you say has the bigger struggle?
Oh gosh, that's a great question. And for those of you who don't know, I owned my own high volume shop for like 3 years.
Jeez.
So like, yeah, that we would.
You've truly done it all.
Oh yeah, we printed for Blizzard, was one of our biggest clients.
Blizzard the
entertainment here in Irvine.
Jeez, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know if they're bought out by now or there's that whole deal. But
Yeah.
they're one of our big clients. Like our productivity was good. We were able to do like thousands of
So
units.
you're doing like the full auto screen presses.
Yeah, we had 2 autos. We had
Jeez.
two dryer chambers, and then like managing like 20 employees, like accordion. So like
That's-
on and off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That's a huge shop.
Yeah.
Like,
So just want to qualify for people like, who's this guy talking about starting a shop? So when it comes to starting a shop, oh gosh, the funny thing is that I answered this in my YouTube channel, but the answers changed over time because there's so many crafters in the space and there's such a big category now. But they're both difficult. I think the trap with starting your own shop for production. Now, I would say the biggest thing is for anything before I answer this is be clear on your goal. So
that's good.
If people are going, I'm gonna do a clothing company and start with t-shirts, and if I buy the equipment, I might as well also take on some clients. It can very easily go into client work mode, and then you will not have enough energy at the end of the day to say, oh, well, what new looks do I want to put together for my brand?
Yeah.
So that's the biggest thing that I say. Both of them are difficult. But again, I just think like if your goal is like, I kind of want to do something, but it'd be cool if starting a shop was like my main gig, then at least you're clear on your goal.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can approach it. Yeah.